In this video, I'll show you how to create a GoToMeeting account. So first thing that you want to do is go to goto.com/meeting, and that'll bring you straight to the meeting page. And what you can do is either click on buy now if you want to make a purchase, or you can click on try for free. Now I already have a GoTo account, but what you will do is you'll fill out this form. So your first name, last name, business email, create a password, then put in your phone number and your company size and hit start for free. From there, they are going to send you a verification email. So they'll give you this verification code and you'll just copy it and paste it into the box on GoTo. And that's it. You'll officially made a GoTo account, which you can use for GoToMeeting and any other GoTo applications. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.